Have you ever watched a Facebook reel and wanted to share it with someone quickly? The easiest way is to copy the reel's URL and send it wherever you want. It only takes a few taps. Go to the Facebook app menu and finding the reel you'd like to share. Once the reel is on your screen, tap the three-dot menu located near the bottom right corner. A list of options will appear. Next, tap Copy Link. Facebook will instantly copy the reel's URL to your phone's clipboard. You may see a small notification confirming that the link has been copied successfully. Now you can share the reel anywhere. Open your favorite messaging app, email, social media platform, or Notes app. Tap and hold in the text box, then select Paste to insert the copied link. Send it to friends, family, co-workers, or anyone you'd like to share the reel with. Copying a reel URL is also useful if you want to save a video for later, keep a collection of favorite reels, or share content across different apps without downloading the video. The process is quick, simple, and works directly from the Facebook app. Once you know where the copy link option is located, sharing Facebook Reels becomes much faster and more convenient. And that's it. You can now easily copy and share any Facebook Reels URL on your phone in just a few taps.